Good morning, students. Now, in previous class, we are discussing about different form of equation of straight line. There are 6 important different form of equation of straight line. You know, namely 1-point form, slope-intercept form, slope of line joining 2 form, then 2-point form, then intercept form, and finally normal form. Okay, now today I am going to deal with some more results, that is general equation of line. Look here. Now here consider the equation, let the line in general say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In general, consider the equation of line B, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants. This equation is known as general form of equation of line. This equation is known as general form of equation of line. This is a straight line. It represents general form of equation of straight line. Now the question to find the slope of the general form of equation of line. To find the slope of the general form of equation of line like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. One equation kottaga. Now to find the slope. The slope hag find out madbeku. Take general equation, say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. To find the slope of the line. How to solve? Given data. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now call it as equation 1. Now equation 1 can be written as, rearrange, this implies by is equal to plus ax goes to right side minus ax plus c goes to right side minus c. Now here convert given equation of line, it is in the form slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c form. See, by is equal to that term goes to right side minus ax plus c goes to right side minus c. Now divide by b dinda divide madidre enagutte, y is equal to minus a upon b into x minus c upon b. Therefore y is equal to minus a by b into x minus c by b can be written as plus of minus c upon b. Now clearly it is in the form. Nodri yav form we convert aaytidu. It is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is equal to minus a upon b. Y intercept c value minus c upon b. M means what? Slope. Hence, remember, slope of line in general ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Its slope is, remember that formula, minus a upon b. This formula nenpidukobeku. New problems kottaga find the slope anta kelidaga, remember that formula, it will easily solve that. So, slope of the general form of line, remember, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Its slope is, remember that formula, most important, minus a upon b. Now here for example, find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line. Say first one, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Another one, x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the slope of the following equation of line. How to solve? No, pade kottanta result and you y is equal to mx plus c convert madad beda. Remember that formula. How? Look here. 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form, general form of equation of line like ax plus by plus c. Here a value estide nodi, a value is 2, b value 3, c value 7. Now the question to find the slope. Therefore slope of line 1, what is the formula? In general, minus a upon b, minus a upon b, minus what is a value 2, b value 3. Therefore slope of given line is minus 2 upon 3. Clear? Similarly, second one, x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value, coefficient of x is 1, b value 2, c value 3. Okay. Therefore, slope of line, you know the formula. What is slope of line formula? Minus a upon b. That is minus, what is a? 1, b value 2. Slope is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Whereas third one, the third one, no, x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value, coefficient of x is 1, b value, coefficient of y is minus 1, c value 7. Therefore slope of line in general, what is the formula? Remember, minus a upon b, minus a value 1, b value minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Its slope is 1. And finally, fourth one, 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. A value 2, b value, coefficient of y minus 1, c value 4. Okay. Therefore slope of line 1, what is the formula? In general, minus a upon b is the formula. That is minus a value 2, b value minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 by 1, that is 2. Clear? So remember, in general, slope of the line in general ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a upon b. Okay. So based on the general form of equation of line, based on slope of the line, now to solve some problems, most important problem, they may be asked in final exam. Now here problem, find the equation of straight line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. First one. Second one, same question, find the equation of line passing through the point minus 1 comma 2 and parallel to the line joining 2 points, namely 4 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 4. Look here, so first one, find the equation of line. One the line is, this is a line, AB is a straight line. Okay, which passes through the point. This line ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, that is x1 y1 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. ಈ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್. ಯಾದಿದೆ? 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಿದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಏನಿದೆ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನು ಸಮಾಂತರವಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆವು? 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 1 point form. What is that? Y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. ಹೌದಾ? So x1 y1 given, we don't know the value of m. To calculate m, first you calculate m. So how to solve? There are two methods solving this problem. Now first method, ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು? ಗಿವನ್ 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Given data. It is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value 3, b value minus 4, c value 12. Okay. Now what is slope of given line? You know how to solve slope. You know the formula. What is that? Minus a upon b. Right? That is minus a value 3, b value minus 4, minus into minus plus 3 by 4. Call it as slope m1. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ? ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೇ ಎಮ್, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ m2. ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ parallel. You know the condition. If two lines are parallel, condition, slopes are equal. Since the lines are parallel, condition m1 is equal to m2. What is m1 value? 3 by 4. m2 value is m. Therefore m is equal to 3 by 4. We got slope of line AB. Slope ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now therefore, using 1 point formula, equation of line AB, using 1 point formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, right? So y minus y1 value minus 2 comma 3, y1 value 3, m slope is 3 by 4 into x minus x1 is minus 2. Simplify, y minus 3 is equal to 3 by 4 into x, minus into minus, plus 2. Cross multiply, 4 into y, 4y, 4 into 3, 12, is equal to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6, or 3x plus 6 is equal to 4y minus 12, or 3x plus 6 minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Take equal on right side. Rearrange 3x minus 4y, 6 plus 12 plus 18 is equal to 0. This represents equation of line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 parallel to the given line. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು slope of line AB we don't know, we take say m, call it as m2. Since the lines are parallel, m1 is equal to m2, m1 value 3 by 4, m2 is m is also 3 by 4. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. This is one method. Okay. Another method, without one point form use ಮಾಡದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. How to solve? Second method. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಗಿವನ್ 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Equation 1. Okay. Now find the equation of line AB passes through the point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to the line, which is parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Second method, observe it. Clearly these two lines are parallel. What is slope of given line? Idar slope ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 by 4. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 3 by 4 ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3/4. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಯು ನೋ that if two lines are parallel, condition, slopes are equal, isn't it? So ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 3/4 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ AB is also 3/4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಲೋಪು 3/4 ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾತಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ -a/b, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -4, ಸೇಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು, isn't it? So these two lines are parallel, slopes are equal, slope of given line is 3/4, automatically slope of line AB is also 3/4. ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪು 3/4 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x - 4y, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12 ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇರದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 12 or 10 or 11, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ k ಪ್ಲಸ್ k ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ parallel to given line, this is notation for parallel, okay, parallel to given line 1 is taken as 3x minus 4y, we don't know 12, we don't know 13, we don't know exact number, we take say k, plus k is equal to 0. We got incomplete equation, not complete equation. We don't know k. Now to solve k, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ AB. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? -2, 3. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 passes through the point, ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದು? -2, 3. It means put x equal to -2, y is equal to 3. We get, put x is -2, 3 into -2 minus 4 into y value 3 plus k is equal to 0. Same answer barutte. Okay? Simplify. 3 into -2 minus 6 minus 12 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to -18 goes to right side, plus 18, we got k value. Therefore required equation of line, equation 2 gives, required equation of line, equation 2 gives 3x minus 4y plus 18, k value 18 is equal to 0. Same answer is tane. That is very simple method. Even though ಇಲ್ಲಿ -12 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? plus k. Why? Because general equation of line is ax plus by plus c. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -12 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ plus k. We don't know k value, whether it may be positive or negative. So you take plus k is equal to 0. Right? This is second method. Among those two methods, which method is easiest? You can apply any one method. Clear? Second problem. Same type. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point -1, 2 and parallel to the line joining 2 points 4, 2 and 2, -4. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ತಾನೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ 2 points. First, using these 2 points first to find equation of line. How to solve? Now here given data. A is a point, say 4, 2, B be a point 2, -4. 2 points are given. Using these 2 points first to find equation of line. Now you know that using 2-point form, you know the formula, type number 3, equation of line AB is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 2-point form. Substituting the values, y minus y1 value is 2 by x minus x1 is 4 is equal to y2 value minus 4 minus y1 is 2, x2 value is 2 minus x1 is 4, implies y minus 2 by x minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, implies y minus 2 by x minus 4 is equal to plus 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are minus into minus plus. Cross multiply 3 into x 3x, 3 into 4 12 is equal to y minus 2. Implies 3x rearrange minus y minus 12 plus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation of line joining 2 points. Namaga line siktigide. Hauda? Now here the question. Now here find the equation of line which is, now here CD is a line which is parallel to the line AB. That parallel line is 3x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Find the equation of line CD which passes through the point minus 1 comma 2 and parallel to the line AB, that is 3x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now apply second method. Clearly these two lines are parallel. You know that two lines are parallel, slopes are equal, isn't it? What is slope of this line? It is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A value 3, b value minus 1, slope formula minus a upon b minus 3 by minus 1, that is plus 3. Idar slope plus 3 aita. Hagadre ee line slope ene irbekatu 3 tane. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. Hagadre idu ee line slope 3 irbekadre first two term as it is, that is 3x minus y. We don't know whether it may be 10 or 15 or 11 or minus 5, we don't know. So we take plus k is equal to 0. So given 3x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now equation of line parallel to given line, that is line 1 is taken as, if it is parallel, terms as it is 3x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Call it as equation 2. Okay. Ee line the equation, incomplete equation aitu. This is the equation of line. Ee line mele point in pass agide minus 1 comma 2. So as this equation 2 passes through the point, ee line mele 1 point pass agide. Yavudadu? Passes through the point minus 1 comma 2. It means put x equal to minus 1, y is 2. We get enagutte nodi 3 into minus 1 minus y value 2 plus k is equal to 0. Correct? This implies minus 3 minus 2 plus k is equal to 0. Implies minus 5 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 5 goes to right side, plus 5. We got k value. Therefore, required equation of line, that is equation 2 gives yenide 3x minus y plus k value 5 is equal to 0. This is required equation of line. Okay? Check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. This is required equation of line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ minus 1 comma 2. Put x equal to minus 1. 3 into minus 1 minus y value 2 plus 5. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 5. How much? Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. 0. Satisfied? Yes. Apply second method. Clear? Next problem. Same question. find the equation of line passing through the point 1 comma minus 2 and perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. No, really, perpendicular to the line. Again, two methods. Okay, now first method, you can apply any one method. First problem, first method, find the equation of line AB equation line find out madri. As this line passes through the point 1 comma minus 2, which is perpendicular to the line. ಈ AB ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನು perpendicular ಆಗಿದೆ. That line is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ AB ಲೈನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ 1.4. ಗಿವನ್ x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value 1, b value minus 2, c value 3. What is slope of line 1? Slope of given line, you know the formula. What is that? Minus a upon b. That is minus a value 1, b value minus 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Call it as m1. Then what is slope of line AB? We don't know. Gottilla namige. So call it as say is m anta tagolano. That is say m2. Since these two lines are, ಹೇಗದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇವು, these two lines are perpendicular. You know the formula. If two lines are perpendicular, condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Implies m1 value 1 by 2, m2 value m is equal to minus 1. Correct? Simplify 1 into m by 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, cross multiply m is equal to minus 2. We got slope of line AB. Slope ಸಿಕ್ತಾ? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದವು? 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Apply 1 point formula. Therefore, equation of line AB is using 1 point formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substituting the value, y minus y1 is minus 2, m value minus 2, x minus x1 is 1, right? Simplify, y minus into minus plus 2 is equal to minus 2x minus into minus plus 2. Implies y plus 2, take equal on right side, plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Rearrange 2x plus y plus 2 minus 2 cancel is equal to 0. This is required equation of line perpendicular to the given line. This is one method. Another method, second method, without using 1 point form. 1 point form use ಮಾಡದೆ solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Second method, ಹಾಗೆ very simple method. Given ಏನಿದೆ x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the equation of line AB passes through the point 1 comma minus 2 which is perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್? ಯು ನೋ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ 1/2. ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 1/2 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. One slope is 1/2. What out slope of that line? Minus of the reciprocal. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? -2. cancel, that is multiply, 2 to cancel, it will become minus 1 because m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. One slope 2 by 3 there. If it is perpendicular, what is slope of another line? Minus of the reciprocal. Minus of the reciprocal is minus 3 by 2. Suppose one slope is minus 2. What about slope of other line if it is perpendicular? Minus of the reciprocal. Minus of the reciprocal andre enatu? Plus 1 by 2. Clear? So, either slope 1 that is 1 by 2 ide. Either slope enagakathe hangandre minus 2. Because those two lines are perpendicular condition. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Nodri, either slope 1 by 2 ide. Hagadre idar slope ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕಾತು? minus 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ minus 2 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಾತು? ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಸಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೈನ್. ಯಾವಾಗಿದು? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೈನ್, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 2 ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1y ಪ್ಲಸ್ k ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3y, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈನ್? ಇದರ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 3x, ಇದು 2y, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಓಕೆ, x plus 2y given. What is its perpendicular line? X is the coefficient here, y is the coefficient here. Y is the coefficient ಏನಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ, that is 2x. X is the coefficient ಏನಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ, 1y. Sign changes minus 1. If it is x plus y given, interchange the coefficients of x and y. X is the coefficient 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, y is the coefficient 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. In between these two changes its sign, x minus y. ಯಾವಾಗಿದು? If it is perpendicular. So, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ? ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ perpendicular to, equation of line perpendicular to given line, perpendicular to given line, that is line 1, is taken as, what can you do? Interchanging the coefficients of x and y. Andre enatu 2x, in between these two changes its sign, plus 1y plus k is equal to 0. We don't know whether it may be 3 or 5 or 10, we don't know. We take in general k. We got the equation, incomplete equation. Now complete it as this equation 2 passes through the point. Passes through the point. Yav point ide? Passes through the point 1 comma minus 2. Put x equal to 1, y is minus 2. 2 into 1 plus y value minus 2 plus k is equal to 0. Implies 2 plus into minus, minus 2 plus k is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, k is equal to 0. Therefore, required equation, equation 2 gives required equation 2x plus y plus k value 0 is equal to 0, that is 2x plus y is equal to 0. Same answer barutte. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಯ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವೆರಡರ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈನನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗಿದು? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡು, ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. ಏನಿದೆ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 1, 5, 2, ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 5, 2 and perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to the line x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Apply second method. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ second one, find the equation of line AB which passes through the point 5, 2 and perpendicular to the line, given line x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Apply second method. Clearly these two lines are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes m1 m2 is equal to -1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆದರೆ ಇದರ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ, ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ದು ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1. ವಾಯ್ದು ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವಾಯ್ದು ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ವಾಯ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ -y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಓದೋಯ್ತು. ನಾವು ಗಿವನ್ x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now equation of line perpendicular to given line 1 is taken as, if it is perpendicular, is taken as interchanging the coefficients. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Then to find the value of k, as this equation passes through the point, as this equation passes through the point, ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? 5, 2. We get, put x equal to 5, y is equal to 2. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x is 5 minus y value 2 plus k is equal to 0. 5 minus 2, 3 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to plus 3 goes to right side, -3. K value -3. Therefore, required equation 2 gives, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? equation 2, x minus y, k value -3 is equal to 0. Okay, check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Find the equation of line. We got equation of line. As this line passes through the point 5, 2, put x is 5, y is 2. Whether that equation is satisfied or not. X value 5, y value 2 haki. X value 5 minus y value 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Clear students? Idea bantala? Last problem. Problem number 3. Find the value of k if the lines 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus ky minus 7 is equal to 0 are parallel. Second one, k plus 2 into x plus 2k plus 1 into y is equal to 7 and 5x minus 4y is equal to 23 are perpendicular. Find the value of k so that the first one is parallel, second one is perpendicular. Very simple question. Now given 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is line 1. And line 2, x minus ky minus 7 is equal to 0, line 2. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value 3, b value 6, c value minus 5. And here a value 1, b value coefficient of y minus k, c value minus 7. Now to find the slope. Now you know that slope of line 1, you know the formula. Slope of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a upon b, that is minus a value 3, b value 6, that is minus 1 by 2, call it as m1, right? And slope of line 2, slope of line 2, same formula, minus a upon b, line 2 minus a value 1, b value minus k, minus into minus plus 1 by k, call it as m2, right? Eradu lines ಹೇಗಿದವು? Parallel. Since the lines are parallel, since the lines are parallel, as you know that if two lines are parallel, condition, slopes are equal, m1 is equal to m2, implies what is m1? Minus 1 by 2. What is m2? 1 by k. Therefore k is equal to, cross multiply, k is equal to minus 2. The value of k is minus 2. Clear? Whereas second one, second problem, given k plus 2 into x plus 2k plus 1 into y minus 7 is equal to 0. Equation 1. 5x minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now here for first line, line 1, it is in the form ax plus by plus c. A value k plus 2. B value 2k plus 1, C value minus 7. Whereas for line 2, second line, again it is in the form ax plus by plus c, A value 5, B value minus 4, C value minus 23. Now to find the slope. Now slope of line 1. What is the formula? You know, minus a upon b, line 1, minus line 1, a value k plus 2, b value 2k plus 1, call it as m1, right? Similarly, slope of line 2, slope of line 2. What is the formula? Minus a upon b, line 2, minus a value 5, b value minus 4, that is plus 5 by 4, call it as m2. Eradu lines ಹೇಗಿದವು? Those two lines are perpendicular. Since the lines are, the given lines are perpendicular, you know the condition. If two lines are perpendicular, condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Substituting the value, m1 value minus k plus 2 by 2k plus 1 into m2 value 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1. Illi minus sign ide, illi minus sign ide, minus sign tagad hakbidi. Multiply both sides by minus sign. 5 into k, 5k. 5 into 2, 10. Divide by 4 into 2k, 8k. 4 into 1, 4 is equal to plus 1 because by eliminating minus sign. Okay. Then simplify. Cross multiply. 5k plus 10 is equal to cross multiply 8k plus 4, right? Implies 5k plus 10 minus 8k minus 4 is equal to 0. Take equal on right side. 5k minus 8k minus 3k plus 10 minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0, implies minus 3k is equal to minus 6, divide by minus 3k is equal to minus 6 by minus 3, minus into minus plus, 3 ones are 3 twos are, therefore k is equal to 2. Clear? So lines are perpendicular andaga condition m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 togolli, lines are parallel, condition m1 is equal to m2. So these are the problems based on the general form of equation of line. Okay students, thank you.